How to change the language on Chat GPT. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Log and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys the simplest way to change language on Chat GPT. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Chrome. At the top, you can see the search bar. Type in there chat.openai.com. Even though ChatGPT is at capacity right now, you can change the language on it. At the top right corner, you can see that three dots. Tap on it. Over here, you can find this option of translate. Tap on it. Now at the bottom right corner, you can find this three dots. Tap on it. Tap on more languages. Now from here, you can select any of the language of your choice. I'm gonna select Korean. And here you go. This is how you change language on ChatGPT. Likewise, you get lots of options. You can choose any of these language. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change language on ChatGPT. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.